Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Congratulations to everyone. Another all-time high has been reached. Back in the 2023 bear market, when six-figure prices were only a projection, there was plenty of skepticism. If you're new here, you can check my earliest videos to see those discussions. Yesterday, price moved sideways around 119.5 thousand, dipping briefly to 118.9 thousand before recovering. The climb began gradually, pausing at key horizontal markers like 120.2 thousand and 120.9 thousand, before accelerating into the range from 122,000 to 124.5 thousand, a zone highlighted in heat map data. The peak landed exactly at 124.5 thousand. Across higher time frames, 6-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour, daily, 2-day, 5-day, weekly, and monthly, momentum indicators remain aligned to the upside. On the daily chart, Heikin-Ashi candles have shown 8 consecutive green sessions since the 6th of August. This is similar to August 2021 in a fractal comparison, which could suggest potential movement toward 125 to 131,000 by the end of the month, if the pattern continues. Despite the advance, analytics recorded activity of $417 million in closed positions, with a larger share from one side of the market. The 12-hour heat map shows 121.5 thousand as a key reference level. The one-day map points toward 122.3 thousand, 123.5 thousand, and 124,000, while short-term upper levels of 124.7 thousand and 124.9 thousand are also visible. Lower on the scale, 119.6 thousand appears as a notable marker, with larger time frame maps showing levels at 117.7 thousand and 114.7 thousand. Current conditions suggest more focus on the upper ranges for now. In broader market news, Bitcoin's market capitalization briefly touched $2.456 trillion, placing it momentarily ahead of another global tech giant before adjusting slightly. Separately, a major tech firm disclosed that the valuation of its Bitcoin holdings has reached an all-time high of $77.2 billion. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all to stay updated.
And see you in the next one.